Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So today we'll be doing a manicure for these filthy nails that they have become. I love doing a manicure at home. Actually, I don't think I've ever gotten one at the parlor, but I'm sure you all must be missing those wonderful, luxurious parlor manicures. So for today's manicure, we'll be using a good old nail cutter. Any nail cutter would do. A nail file. I like using the foam one better than the metal one. But we'll also use the metal nail file for the dent at the end. This will help us in removing those cuticles. If you don't have a foam nail file, feel free to use the metal one. After that, we will take a bowl and put warm water in it with half a lemon. I have not put water yet because I will be needing warm water for it. For scrub, I'll be using a coffee body scrub by M Caffeine, but feel free to use any scrub that is available at your disposal. We'll also need any soapy substance for that water soap. Any shampoo, any hand wash, anything, whatever you like. After that, we need a heavy duty moisturizer. I'll be using this Cocoa body butter, but feel free to use any moisturizer that you have. And we'll finish it off with a nice base coat and also a nice nail polish. So yes, without any further ado, let's begin the video. So the first step to any manicure is cutting the nails. So I don't like to cut them very short, neither do I keep my nails very long. So this is the length that I follow, and my nail shape is round. So cut according to your nail shape and also according to the preferred length. After that, I'll file my nails with the foam nail file. One thing that you have to keep in consideration is never go to and fro, back and forth with the nail file. Always file in one direction, otherwise nails will go really weak. So the second step is creating a hand soak for ourselves. So for this, I'll take lukewarm water. It's actually a little warmer than lukewarm because that's the temperature I like. Please don't burn yourself in this step. Take water according to your tolerance. Don't keep it very thanda, but don't also overwarm it. I'll add a mild shampoo to it. Use any soapy substance. Basically, cleaning step here, so we need some soap. Use any hand wash, use any shampoo of your choice. After that, I'll squeeze in juice of half a lemon. Lemon is a very good natural bleach, so it will help you in removing the tan on the hands. Disclaimer, if you have any cuts on your hand, do not put lemon in it, otherwise it will sting. And let your hands soak in for 15 minutes. So now coming on to the cuticles. So this cuticle remover can be found in any of the manicure kits if you've purchased any by chance. This is the good old metal nail file. It always comes with this bent at the end. So what we'll do is we'll just push back the cuticles into the base. So cuticle is that extra skin, extra white layer that grows onto your nail. Usko we just have to push it back into the base of the nail. One thing that you have to take care while doing this is don't over push it, otherwise you'll hurt yourself. You will cut the skin near the base. Just gently push it back into the base and you're done. And now we'll scrub. So it's very important to remove those dead skin cells. If you don't have a scrub at home, you can make your own coffee scrub or a honey and a sugar scrub. They both work really well. After this, rinse off and then we'll apply a cream. Moisturize your hands and your nails well. And with that, we have reached our final step, that is nail polish. This is a base coat from Miniso called Transparent. Base coat is very important if you are applying nail polish because it prevents your nail from reacting to any chemicals that any nail polish might have. For my main nail polish, I am using Lavender Buttercream in the shade 54 from Nykaa. You could stop the manicure right after having moisturized your hands if you are not necessarily fond of nail polishes, but I really love applying them, so here I am. A pro tip if you need a parlor finish is take an earbud, put that in nail polish remover and find those lines, those nail polish marks that you might have around your finger. And with that, we come to the end of our home manicure. My nail polish has dried. The hand feels soft, it feels pretty, it feels wonderful. I am absolutely loving it. If you do try this at home, send me a before and an after picture. I would really love to look at them. Other than that, take care of yourselves, guys. Loads of love. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.